Hey guys, in this video, we're going to review Blocky DNS. Blocky DNS is an open source, customizable DNS-based ad and tracking blocker designed for users who want greater control over their network privacy and content filtering. It's especially popular among tech-savvy users and home network administrators. It acts as a local DNS proxy server. It blocks ads, trackers, and malicious domains by intercepting DNS queries and filtering them using customizable block lists. This helps protect your privacy and enhances online security, especially against phishing and malware domains. One of Blocky's strongest features is its high level of configurability. You can set different rules for different client devices, use custom block lists or allow lists, configure upstream DNS resolvers like Cloudflare or Quad9, and set conditional forwarding and caching rules. This makes it highly flexible for families, small offices, or enthusiasts wanting tailored DNS control. Blocky is lightweight and efficient. It runs well on minimal hardware, including Raspberry Pi, and adds minimal latency to DNS resolution. Its built-in caching significantly boosts speed over time. It supports time-based filtering, allowing you to block categories like adult content or social media during specific hours, which is useful for parental control or productivity. Blocky offers JSON logging and metrics via Prometheus, which is great for monitoring, but it doesn't have a built-in graphical user interface. However, it can be paired with external tools or dashboards. Unlike plug-and-play solutions, Blocky requires a bit of technical knowledge to install and configure. It runs as a Docker container or binary, and you'll need to edit a YAML config file for setup. Blocky DNS is a powerful, private, and flexible DNS filtering tool for those comfortable with manual configuration. It's not ideal for beginners, but if you're looking for a p-hole alternative with advanced features and customization, Blocky is a strong contender. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.